Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall CCH ProSystem FX Tax Suite detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by closing all open applications on your computer. Locate the control panel in your Windows operating system. You can find it by clicking on the Start menu and typing Control Panel in the search bar. Open the control panel once it appears in the list. In the control panel window, select Programs or Programs and Features. This will bring up a list of all installed programs on your computer. Scroll down the list to find CCH ProSystem FX Tax Suite. Once you find it, click on it to highlight the application. You will see an option at the top of the window that says Uninstall. Click on the Uninstall button to initiate the uninstallation process. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation to uninstall the program. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation. Follow any additional prompts that may appear during the process. The uninstallation may take a few moments to complete. Once the process is finished, you should see a message confirming the removal of the program. After that, close the control panel window. It's recommended to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. You can check the list of installed programs again to ensure that CCH ProSystem FX Tax Suite has been removed. If it is still present, repeat the previous steps until it is completely uninstalled. Make sure to also check for any residual files in your Program Files folder. Navigate to C:/Program Files and look for any folders related to CCH ProSystem FX Tax Suite. If you find any, delete those folders manually. Lastly, consider running a disk cleanup to remove any leftover temporary files related to the uninstalled program. You have now successfully uninstalled CCH ProSystem FX Tax Suite from your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.